Hello, my name is Madya. For my honors project, I am evaluating safety in Hamilton CBD. Urban safety is recognized globally as an essential ingredient for urban development, as the city's safety can often influence social fabric and determine how a community operates. Also, with recent studies in Hamilton showing a decrease in residents' perception of safety, there is a need for safety in urban-based design. My method to evaluate safety in Hamilton focuses on the built environment and relies on field data to create a visualization of a safety index. To start, a major part of my honors project included a literature review process which was aimed to gain an understanding of factors influencing safety perception within Hamilton. From this, a list of factors were derived from historical evidence, and studies outlined physical and environmental factors that were found to be influential to perception of safety. This can be seen above here. This was identified as lighting as a measure of luminance, building frontage is classified as a type of frontage, accessibility was by the design to be used by all people regardless of their age, size, and ability, also known as the universal design concept. Other parameters included public capacity and entry and exit points. These measures rely on field analysis and spatial data collected over 3 weeks. ArcGIS was used to visualize the collected spatial data and indicate low-scoring areas with red and high-scoring areas with green. The evaluation focuses on these 3 main areas in the Hamilton CBD known as Garden Place, Victoria Street Public Car Park, and Victoria on the River. Lighting was evaluated in a grid formation representing the areas of interest. The level of safety was determined by the threshold most common for safe urban lighting. Additionally, as an added layer of assessment, safety was evaluated across gender to describe the differences in safety perception among each gender. For a brief overview, it could be seen that female perceived all 3 areas as more unsafe in comparison to males, indicated by the dominance of red. Garden Place showed insufficient lighting along the middle, while Victoria on the River and the car park was largely below sufficient. As for the building frontages, it can be seen that only Garden Place showed acceptable levels of building frontages and natural surveillance. The second part looked at gaining perception through a closed survey which captures real-time perception of 4 females and 3 males aged 20 to 23. The results showed levels of safety in direct relation to natural surveillance to score low for the car park and Victoria on the River. This was an agreement of the visualized spatial data, providing evidence of accuracy in the model's depiction of safety. Thank you for listening to my presentation.